Good day. This video clip is intended for the discussion of the digitizing and building vector layers. Digitizing is one of the most common tasks that a GIS specialist has to do. Often, a large amount of GIS time is spent in digitizing raster data to create vector layers that you use in your analysis. Quantum GIS or QGIS has powerful capabilities to digitize raster data. In this video, you will take the georeference topographic map that you have digitized in a previous module and create vector layers. The objective is to digitize some contour lines of the topo map and create a contour vector layer. So let's create a new project. Then we will now import raster data, Control Shift R. So you have two options for loading the raster data. So you may proceed with the folder intended for LabX number 4 dataset, part 1. It is the West 3160 IIID underscore EPSG 32651. Or use the digitized or georeference Abra de Ilog, which is EPSG 32651. It is the raster data that was digitized in a previous video. So open, add, and close. So kindly take note that this is EPSG 32651. Let's change the name. Three two six five one. Apply. Okay. Now with this raster data, you can see here several contour lines. And we have to digitize this by means of creating new layer of vectors. So layer, create layer, then new shape file layer. Let's start first with creating a polygon. Let's create a new folder here. Then let's have polygon. Let's have an elevation information. Whole number, add to list, and click OK. Let's save first this project. So kindly click this toggle editing. So make sure that your toolbar for digitizing toolbar is enabled. Next, click the toggle editing icon. Then upon clicking this, toolbars would be enabled. So we will use this add polygon feature. Okay, so let's trace this. One, and this image has an elevation of 1000. Now with this figure, you can edit. Okay, so let's say there's a change or an error with the initial digitizing, so you can adjust by means of moving the coordinate point or the vertex like this one. You will adjust the vertex, or you will create a new vertex. Next, let's create a new one. So this one, it has an elevation of 1020. Okay, and another one. And okay. So let's save this one. So if you will check its attribute, it has ID 1, 2, 3. So the elevation are 1000 and 1020 and another 1020. Now, for example, you decided to change, you have initially digitized this in terms of polygon, and you have decided to transform it into line. What you could do is to use the vector geometry tools. Then we will convert the polygons to lines. So input layer would be the contour polygon. Then let's save it to file. Let's have this contour underscore lines. Save. Then run. Close. So if we disable this one, you could see that there's a new line. So let's change the color so that you would be able to see it properly. Let's have it, let's say, yellow, or let's have pink one. Apply OK. Let's have another color. Okay, so that is already our contour lines. Now, if you have decided from the contour polygon going back, you want to determine or to extract the vertices. So all you have to do is to click Vector, Geometry Tools, then Extract Vertices. And using the contour poly, save to file, contour underscore points. Let's have one here. Okay, save, then run. Close. So these are the points extracted from the polygon itself. Or the other one is I will disable the contour points one. Let's extract again vertices using the contour lines. Save the file, contour points, then 2, save, run, close. So either of the two, it will yield with the same output. Okay? Try exploring the other geometry tools available in this panel. Thank you.